Living in a British village, expectation versus reality. It looks like the perfect life until you actually live it. Picture stone cottages, quiet lanes, friendly neighbours, and rolling green countryside stretching to the horizon. For millions of people, moving to a British village represents the ultimate escape from busy city life. But reality often looks very different from the dream. Some surprises are wonderful, others can be frustrating. Today, we're exploring living in a British village, expectation versus reality, and the biggest reality check might not be the one you're expecting. The peace and quiet isn't always quiet. The expectation is complete silence. The reality is that villages can be surprisingly noisy in their own unique way. People often imagine stepping into a countryside paradise where the only sound is birdsong. While birds certainly play their part, they're far from the only soundtrack. Church bells may ring across the village. Tractors often start early during busy farming periods. Dogs bark. Sheep call across nearby fields. Lawn mowers hum throughout summer weekends. A bright spring morning might begin with birds singing outside your bedroom window before sunrise. It sounds magical at first, but hearing it every day at 5 in the morning can change your perspective. Unlike urban noise, village noise tends to come from nature, farming, and community activities, rather than traffic and construction. It's often more pleasant, but it's still noise, and that leads directly to another reality many newcomers discover. Community spirit comes with visibility. The expectation is friendly neighbours. The reality is that people often notice what's happening around them. One of the biggest attractions of village life is the strong sense of community. In many British villages, residents know a large proportion of the community and often recognise familiar faces. Move into a new house, repaint your front door, buy a new car, or renovate your garden, and chances are someone will notice. This isn't usually about gossip or intrusion. In many cases, it comes from genuine interest and community awareness. Residents often look out for elderly neighbours, help during emergencies, and support local events. If a pet goes missing, word can spread quickly. If someone needs assistance, help often arrives faster than expected. Many people find this refreshing compared with city life. Others need time to adjust to the feeling of being more visible within the community. The community spirit is real, but it comes with a level of familiarity that surprises some newcomers. And familiarity doesn't solve the next challenge. Everyday errands take more planning. The expectation is a simpler lifestyle. The reality is that many routine tasks require more effort. Living in a village often means accepting greater distances between services. While some villages have local shops, post offices, pubs, or cafes, others have very limited facilities. Need a large supermarket? You may need to travel. Need specialist healthcare, major shopping facilities, or entertainment venues? Another journey may be required. In some villages, a simple errand can mean a 20-minute or 30-minute drive each way. The countryside can appear compact on a map, but winding roads, narrow lanes, and limited transport links often make journeys longer than expected. Many residents adapt quickly and become skilled planners, combining several errands into one trip. The slower pace of life has benefits, but convenience is not always one of them. And transportation itself creates another expectation versus reality moment. Public transport isn't always convenient. The expectation is that buses connect everything. The reality is that transport options vary significantly. People moving from towns and cities are often surprised by how dependent many rural communities are on private vehicles. Some villages enjoy good transport links. Others have infrequent services, particularly outside peak hours. In some villages, missing a bus can mean a long wait for the next service. For younger people, older residents, or anyone who doesn't drive, this can create challenges that city dwellers rarely experience. Standing at a rural bus stop on a rainy afternoon while checking the timetable is a familiar experience for many village residents. This is one reason why car ownership remains especially important in many parts of rural Britain. But even modern technology doesn't always remove these challenges. Modern technology doesn't always work perfectly. The expectation is that every part of Britain enjoys the same connectivity. The reality is more complicated. Many villages now benefit from excellent broadband and mobile coverage. Others still experience weaker connections than nearby urban areas. Residents in some rural areas report needing to move around their property to find a stronger signal. Video calls occasionally freeze. Mobile reception may vary between different parts of a village. Internet speeds can differ significantly depending on location. Deliveries may take longer than in large towns and cities, particularly in more remote rural areas. At the same time, tradespeople such as plumbers, electricians, and builders can sometimes have longer waiting lists because fewer specialists often serve wider geographic areas. These issues aren't universal, but they remain part of everyday life for some rural communities. Despite these inconveniences, there is one area where reality often exceeds expectations. Nature really is everywhere. The expectation is beautiful scenery. The reality is often even better. This is the reason many people fall in love with village life. Open your front door and you may be greeted by rolling hills, ancient woodlands, grazing livestock, or sweeping countryside views. These landscapes aren't holiday destinations for local residents. They're simply part of daily life. Morning walks become easier. Evening sunsets become events. Even routine activities feel different when surrounded by nature. Spring brings blossom-covered trees and newborn lambs in nearby fields. Summer fills hedgerows with wildflowers. Autumn transforms the landscape with gold and red colours. Winter creates dramatic, frosty scenes that seem pulled from a postcard. Halfway through, living in a British village, expectation versus reality. This is where many people feel reality genuinely beats expectation. But nature also brings another side of village living that many people underestimate. The seasons have a bigger impact than expected. The expectation is that life stays fairly consistent throughout the year. The reality is that the seasons can dramatically shape village life. Summer often brings outdoor events, village fetes, community gatherings, and visitors. Popular villages can become noticeably busier as tourists arrive. Local pubs, cafes, walking trails, and beauty spots may suddenly become far more crowded than usual. Then winter arrives. The days shorten, roads become quieter, outdoor activity slows down. In some areas, periods of poor weather can make villages feel surprisingly isolated. A narrow country lane on a bright July evening feels completely different from the same lane on a dark January morning covered in frost. The rhythm of village life changes with the seasons in ways that many urban residents rarely experience. And that leads to the biggest reality check of all. Village life is not a fairy tale. The expectation is perfection. The reality is balance. Many people move to villages expecting a simpler, easier life. What they discover is that village life still includes work, responsibilities, bills, maintenance, and everyday challenges. Modern British villages are not frozen in time. They continue to evolve. Many residents work remotely. Others commute to nearby towns and cities. New homes are built. Businesses adapt. Communities change. Some newcomers are surprised by how active village life can be. Sports clubs, volunteer groups, local events, and community organisations often play a major role in bringing people together. Others discover that village living requires more independence than expected. The truth is that village life can be peaceful and busy, traditional and modern, beautiful and occasionally inconvenient all at the same time. That's exactly what makes it unique. The reality isn't better or worse than the expectation. It's simply more complex, more authentic, and often far more interesting. Living in a British village, expectation versus reality shows that countryside life is about much more than postcard views. Behind the charm are real challenges, real communities, and real rewards. For many people, that balance is exactly what makes village life so special. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.